There is something extraordinary about an all-white outfit. It speaks softly, yet powerfully. It doesn't need bright colors or patterns to stand out because true elegance never shouts, it whispers. For women over 50, wearing all white is more than fashion. It's a declaration of confidence, grace, and timeless style. Today, I want to take you on a journey through 7 unforgettable all-white outfits, each paired with a perfect hairstyle. Together, they create not just outfits, but stories of elegance. The white power suit. Imagine arriving at a meeting or stepping into a dinner where every eye turns not because you're loud, but because you're striking. The white power suit is authority wrapped in elegance. Wide-leg trousers lengthen the frame, while a sharply cut blazer defines the shoulders. For petite women, choose cropped trousers and a slightly shorter blazer to elongate the body. For taller frames, longer, flowing trousers create dramatic presence. Hairstyle pairing, sleek low bun or smooth bob. Why it works. The neatness of the hairstyle mirrors the clean tailoring, creating a perfect balance of structure and grace. The white silk midi dress. Now picture yourself at a summer luncheon, or perhaps a quiet dinner on a terrace. You choose the white silk midi dress. Its fabric glides with every step, flowing like water and catching the light. For petite women, a bias-cut dress with a higher waistline gives the illusion of height. For taller women, a straight or belted cut adds structure. Hairstyle pairing, soft waves or a side-swept hairstyle. Why it works. Just like the dress, soft waves move with the breeze, adding romance and a sense of timeless femininity. The monochrome cashmere seat in quieter days. Luxury is found in softness. A monochrome cashmere set plush sweater, matching trousers, or even a midi skirt is comfort elevated to elegance. Cashmere drapes without effort, and the monochrome palette keeps it expensive. Petite women might tuck the sweater in slightly to define the waistline, while taller women can let it flow for relaxed sophistication. Hairstyle pairing, loose effortless waves or a relaxed ponytail. Why it works. It keeps the look natural and approachable, echoing the softness of cashmere while still refined. The all-white evening gown, and then the evening arrives. The white evening gown is not about excess, it is about presence. A floor-length gown in satin or crepe, with clean lines and subtle details, speaks volumes without saying a word. For petite women, a gown with a slit adds height and movement. For taller women, dramatic draping creates an unforgettable presence. Hairstyle pairing, elegant chignon or glamorous Hollywood waves. Why it works. Both hairstyles elevate the gown. The chignon draws attention to the neckline and jewelry, while Hollywood waves frame the face with timeless allure. Ivory winter layers winter whites are pure luxury. By layering ivory, cream, and snow white together, you create richness without excess. A wool coat over silk trousers, tied at the waist, brings elegance to cold weather. Petite women can choose slimmer cuts to avoid being overwhelmed by layers. Taller women shine in long sweeping coats that add drama. Hairstyle pairing, straight blowout or sleek bob. Why it works. Smooth, polished hair balances the volume of heavy fabrics, keeping the look refined. The white pleated skirt plus blouse. The white pleated skirt paired with a silk blouse is a story of refined femininity. Every movement is grace in motion. For petites, a knee-length pleat elongates the silhouette. For taller women, a full midi adds flowing drama. Hairstyle pairing, soft French twist or layered mid-length cut. Why it works. These styles highlight the neck and shoulders, perfectly complementing the delicate movement of pleats. The tailored white jumpsuit, and finally, the boldest choice is the tailored white jumpsuit. Modern, minimal, and unapologetically chic. It's a statement of confidence. For petites, cropped ankles give balance. For taller women, Wide legs add drama. Hairstyle pairing. High ponytail or slick back bun. Why it works. Sharp hairstyles frame the face and highlight the neckline, amplifying the jumpsuit's bold structure. All-white fashion is more than just a look. It's a language of elegance. It's sophistication without effort, luxury without excess. And when the right hairstyle meets the perfect outfit, something extraordinary happens. You don't just wear fashion, you tell a story of timeless beauty, confidence, and grace that only becomes richer with age. Ladies, which of these all-white pairings speaks to your story? Tell me in the comments below. And if this inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join me again for our next chapter in elegant living.